Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So we are finally doing the debt update. It has been 6 months since I posted my video where I said I was $79,011.32 in debt. So we're gonna see how much have I paid off since then. So we are gonna do my previous numbers that I did in my video previously in case anybody didn't see, or of course you guys don't remember. So I was $79,000 in debt. My card payment that was left over was $4,437.46. My car payment was at $15,795.45, and my school loans were a whopping $56,147.03. So first, let's go over the interest rates on those. So my car payment interest rate is 5.29%, and my credit card is at 11.99%. I have a few more months to go where I can try to get that interest rate a little bit lower on my card loan, or on my credit card, but I can't get it lowered yet, y'all. All right, so we're gonna start off with my credit card because I have been working at this one. So I am now at $2,676.33. So I have paid off $1,761.13 off of my credit card payment. How was I doing it? I am doing the debt snowball, I think, where I'm doing the highest interest rate paid right now. So my credit card is the highest. I want to lower it. I have decided not to pay off my full credit card because I want to have better credit. I have good credit. I actually have great credit, but I want to be at a 755 credit score for this year. So in order to keep a good credit score and to gain credit, you have to keep credit open. So as long as I'm sitting at a 20 to 25% of my credit card being open, then it should push my credit score higher and higher each year, which is why I do not want to pay it off. So I was making $240 payments each month on top of extra payments as well. So I will pay like $6 here, $14 there, $100 here, mainly because my thought process was I like even numbers. So if my credit card was sitting at $2,676, then I would pay $76 so that I would be at an even number of $2,600. I don't know, I'm weird, it works. I got my credit card paid relatively well because of that. I am now going to drop my payments down to $130 a month. I have to make a monthly payment of $47.68 a month. So I have been paying $240 a month more. And now I'm just going to drop it down to $130 so that I can slowly get down to that 20-25% usage of my credit card, which is about $8,000. I can use $8,000. I need to up my amount, but a lot of times I used to tell them to cut back down on the amount, but we want more so that we can use more credit because we want to leverage. We want to leverage our debt. And I know the Dave Ramsey thing is don't use debt to pay for this, don't use debt to pay for that, but I needed to start out with the businesses that I want to do, and you guys know I want to do rental businesses, and you need credit if you want to have multiple ones, and I don't want to have just pay cash for those. I could have investors, but I'm not taking that route. We'll see. It's not a never though. So I am now sitting at $2,676.33. My interest charged is $27.65 a month on that. Now we're gonna move on to my car. I started out with $18,000 when I bought my car in 2019, and my payments are like $294.19 a month on that. I originally started with my car from my last 6 months ago was $15,795.45 with an interest rate of 5.29%. I have a daily interest of $2.02. So the interest accrued was $32.38 since my last payment. I am now sitting at $13,961.10. That is a whopping payment down from 6 months at $1,834.35. I don't know if that's a lot in 6 months. You guys let me know down below. Is that a lot or am I slacking? I've made like extra payments here and there, like $5, $6, just so that I can get it at an even number, but it's not like at the top of my list with my car. My car is my least debt that I'm worried about. Actually, it's not. My student loans are the least that I'm worried about, but if I pay it off, I pay it off. I'm not like in a rush to pay it off. It would be cool though. I mean, honestly, it'd be cool. Once I start making money from my rentals, I want to pay off my student loans at least halfway first before I really like do my car, because I think I want to turn my car in for like a truck so that I can take my tiny house different places if need be. I can transport stuff if need be. I don't know. I love my little blue car though. So let me know down below, is that not a lot of money that I paid? Because when I add it up, it says that I paid a lot in total. You know what? I paid a lot in total because I paid off my other loans in my 6-month update. Now, my tiny home, I paid straight cash. I did not get a loan out for it. Thankfully, I was very blessed with my loan signing business. I could pay cash with that investment, and I am going to take out a loan to help me out with the tiny house land. As you guys know, I got land for my tiny house and I am leasing it. There's an update with that. I'm gonna give it to you guys in July maybe about the update on the tiny house. I had to move it to a different section of the land, but it's still staying on the same property. I am probably gonna be taking out a $5,000 to $8,000 loan to get the land ready. So the landowner is telling me I might have to grade it, I might have to put a driveway in, I might have to take down some trees, get an inspection for electricals. So hopefully I won't need to take out more than $5,000, but I'm probably gonna do that just because I wanna have cash in the bank on hand if I ever wanna invest in something else, or if something happens. So that's why. I mean, I don't want more debt, but I'm leveraging it so that I can get my business up. I don't think $5,000 is a lot, so I might be doing that. I'm looking in, I'm like 80% sure I'm gonna do that. So sorry if I disappoint you guys. We paid off super quick, I promise. We got a cabin, you guys, and the home loan on that is $269,000. I am not adding that into my debt payoff updates. Sorry. I will do that separately for my Airbnb business series that I'm gonna be doing, showing you guys how I make money from Airbnb, how I did it, how my first month went. I'm planning to do those videos, planning to show you the profits, gross, loss, and all that. So the home will be probably in there. But honestly, the profit that we make from that home, we wanna throw it into our debt. So that's where we're at. So I'm not gonna add that to the total, you guys. I have paid off a total of $6,226.86. That is from my last 6-month update where I included the other debt that I had. So I went from $79,000 to $72,000. I'm not as aggressive anymore. I will tell you guys that. I think I was gonna be very aggressive in my 6-month video, but I don't know, I'm doing pretty well. Credit score. In my yearly goal video, I did a vision board. I put on my vision board, this vision board right here, that I wanted to get my credit score to $750. $750. That's what I wanted my credit score at for this year. It was going back and forth between 696 and 716 6 months ago. Last time I looked in January, because it gives me my little, you know, going up thing. I am now sitting at a 746. So in 4 more points, I will be at my goal for the year, and maybe I'll up it. So honestly, with this, almost all of it has come true. You guys got to get on vision boards. You got to get on writing your goals down, because they really do manifest. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I've also been writing down my goals on every post that I do. I have my monthly goals that I've been writing down up there. And that brings me to why I created my planners. You have your daily goals, your monthly goals in these planners that I created. And the new one that I came out with is just a journal version of it. Some people just aren't planners, some people just want to journal. So you have your goals for every single day, and then your to-do list on how you're going to achieve those goals. So I have created goal planners that have literally changed my life and my mindset. If you change your mindset to be more positive, your goals will come true. I'll put the link down below so you guys can purchase either my journal that I just made, my journal/planner, or my hustle planner. So I'm so excited for these, you guys. Let me know down below how much debt you guys are in. Are you on a debt journey? Have you been paying off your debt? How much have you paid off? You need a friend who's gonna push you, who's on the same journey as you. I will be that person. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.